A big win for a Kansas City Chiefs fan accused of flipping off Chargers fans and getting unruly with security at Qualcomm Stadium.
The judge tossed out the charges against him, and 10 News reporter Michael Chen shows us why the decision may add fuel to the debate over fan behavior and a middle finger gesture.
The signs outside Qualcomm Stadium spell it out. If you get out of hand, you can be ejected. But according to this court ruling for one game in 2009, it was Chargers security that crossed the line. As the Chargers were blowing out the Chiefs, Jason Ensign, a San Diegan and Chiefs fan, says nearby Bolts fans cursed at him throughout the game.
The heckling became quite more aggressive.
Ensign says he flipped his middle finger, and soon after he was grabbed by a security guard.
They took me to the ground and basically jumped on top of me.
After a tussle, Ensign was arrested on battery charges. A judge later dismissed the charges, ruling Ensign was defending himself and had a First Amendment right to use the gesture. Now the same judge has expunged the arrest, saying the guard did not tell him he was being ejected. City Attorney Jan Goldsmith says he lost the battle, but won the war.
But you're happy with this decision?
Absolutely happy.
In the new decision, the judge stated Ensign was subject to the NFL's fan code of conduct. According to Goldsmith, the judge, while saying the guards were in the wrong, changed her mind on the free speech issue, ruling fans can be tossed out for obscenities like the middle finger salute.
This decision makes sure that the NFL and the Chargers can enforce their rules that are designed to protect against violence.
I think this is spin.
Ensign's attorney Mary Frances Prevost says the judge did not reverse herself. If Ensign is subject to the code of conduct, Prevost says the gesture is not conduct.
It's been 40 years since the U.S. Supreme Court said that giving the middle finger is speech, and nothing's changed.
Another thing that likely hasn't changed despite the ruling is the ongoing off-the-field battle over free speech. Michael Chen, 10 News.
The free speech issue could surface in a civil suit and countersuit between the security guard and Ensign. The Chargers told us that the code of conduct has helped curtail many incidents and they will continue to enforce it.